いきますよ。念のため明日の分も今やっときます。Passage 1 The ways that animals communicate いきますよ。シャドーウィングの方ですね。はい。Who is better at communicating, people or animals? If you think about a human inventions such as telephones and the internet, the answer seems perfectly clear. Human beings are the great communicators. However, think about your own personal communication skills. If you compare your skills with what animals can do, the answer is not so simple. Animals can communicate in ways that people cannot. Most of the band of voices for much about communication, with words and sounds to pass information to the people around us. However, the sound of the human voice cannot travel very far. Even the voice of an upper singer with ears of training cannot travel as far as many animal voices. Think of the elephant, for example. Because of its great size, its voice has the power to be heard of for mice. Elephants can also make very low sounds too deep for any human to hear, which left them communicate of even greater distance. These sounds travel in sound waves both. How do elephants receive the messages? No one knows. Maybe they hear them with their ears, or maybe they sense them in some other way. It's possible that sound waves pass from the ground through the elephant's tunnel into the bones and then to the brains. Let's also consider communicating through movement. Professional dancers use dance to share their ideas and emotions. When we watch them, we may be able to understand what they say and their bodies. But even great dancers' ability to speak through movement cannot match the average honeybees. Bees do a dance that tells other bees. The dance tells the other bees which way to go. They can fly to the full in a straight line. It clearly discreet both discreet and discreet to a specific voice. The sense of a smile offers another way to communicate. People can get information through their sense of smells, as when your nose tells us something good is cooking. In general, however, we don't use smells to send a message the way the animals do. For example, certain animals produce smells to the others. This is my place. Get out. A smell can also give an invitation. Often, female animals produce a smell to attract the male. It tells him, "Here I am, come find me." Animals can also better than humans at understanding the message in the smells. We certainly cannot complete with dogs, better than ours. Our noses are not the best, our voices are not the strongest, and our dancing may not anything at all. But people are the only ones with words and written languages, so maybe we can still call ourselves great communicators. はい。ということでね、あらゆる、動物の中で人間が一番の、コミュニケーションの鬼であるというテーマで、話しましたね。まあ、例えばお花や耳、それから声の通りぐらい、こういったものはですね、他の動物に負けますけれども、ものをですね、まあ、読めたり書けたりというところは人間だけですので、まあ結論、人間が一番のコミュニケーターであるというようなことを、まあ、そうですね、今回の英語の文章で話してましたね。はい。まあ、そんな人間の中でもね、たくさんのヒエラルキーがあって、もうコミュニケーションお化けと言われるような人は、日本にもたくさんいます。やっぱりこれを、ものを簡単に伝えられて、しかも、その、オーディエンスの、懐に入る例え話と相手に寄り添った言葉選び、まあ、それから抑揚、こういったものをですね、瞬時に見極められるっていうのはもうこれは場数でしかないと思いますし、かつ、きっと天性のくれたもの、これの掛け合わせかと思います。はい。まあ、プレゼン力に尽きるというふうに思いますので、このプレゼン力、はい。僕自身も鍛えていきます。以上。